안녕하세요. Hi everyone. For the second episode of Eat Your Namul, I'm going to share with you tangy gochujang dressing that goes with raw salads. It goes well with any leafy greens and herbs, and slices of apple and bell pepper really adds that crunchiness and sweetness. Herbs like arugula, watercress, and coriander. It's always good to use what you have at hand, so here are some chervil for me. Bigger stems were a bit too tough, so pick off just the leaves and tender stems. And now some baby romaine. Feel free to use any leafy veggies with crunchy texture like lettuce, iceberg lettuce, or even baby spinach pairs so well with this dressing too. Tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces. And some slices of apple and red bell pepper. Crunchy fruits and veggies would all go well. Now let's make the dressing. First, add a tablespoon each of gochujang, Korean chili pepper paste, agave syrup, and apple cider vinegar into a mixing bowl. And add a teaspoon each of gochugaru, Korean chili pepper powder, soy sauce, and toasted sesame seeds. It's really simple. Scatter the veggies and apple slices. Pour in the dressing and take a little piece of the salad to get every bit of the goodness. Toss the veggies with the dressing at the last minute before serving. And sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. I like to serve this as banchan to enjoy with rice. Enjoy! Stay tuned for the next namul dish and let us know how you liked it.